In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell your designs on Canva. So selling your Canva designs can be a great way to make additional income. Now to go and do this, we first need to head over to an internet browser and just type in Canva Creators and then press enter. Click on this top website here, which is Canva Creators, and click on Become a Creator. Now click on Apply, and you'll need to go through this quick form. So just go and choose the option that best sounds like you. I'm going to click on Designer and press Continue. Go and select which type of designs that you want to create and click Continue. Now select your design experience. I'd recommend selecting something high and clicking Continue. Now select your interests and also press Continue. Now go and select some goals and once again press Continue. And then just go and fill out this form. So we're going to enter all of this information here. You'll also need to enter a portfolio of your work. So this can be something as simple as a Google Drive link, just to basically show previous designs that you've made in the past. You can also add a link to a website as well if you have your portfolio on there. How did you learn about the Canva Creators program? Just click on any of these options. Go and select your native language from this list. And then you have this option to tell us more about your design experience. Now I do recommend filling this in and just trying to fill out the 255 characters. You can say something along the lines of how long you've actually been designing for. You can also talk about your style and the kind of artwork that you create. Once you've done all of this, just agree to the terms and conditions and press submit. So now what's going to happen is this application will be reviewed by the Canva team. Now, if they like what they see and they like your portfolio of work, then what's going to happen is you're going to get an email with further instructions on the Canva program, and you can essentially start creating templates and earning money from your Canva designs. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.